Hey guys, welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel. So I got 150 series Toyota Land Cruiser here. I've done the timing belt. Just check on my channel, there's a video for it. I'm going to show how to reset the timing belt warning light. So first start the car. So you will see the timing belt light stays on. So by using the trip meter button, press it, get into trip B, and then turn off the engine, and then press and hold the trip button and ignition on. Don't start the car, and then you will see the T-belt light blinking, and then let the trip meter button go and give it a sudden press, and then you will see the 15 number here, and then you press the auto trip meter button 15 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So on the 15th time, press and hold, and then you will see that the timing belt light gone off, and then you can let it go, turn off the ignition, start the car, and the timing belt warning light is off. So that's the procedure, guys. It's pretty easy, quick procedure. Check onto my channel, guys. So there are some other videos. Subscribe to my channel, like and share them. Thanks for watching.